So here we have our entire spinal cord, and we highlighted a specific area, wrote about her. This is a nerve. This is a spinal nerve. And we actually have many spinal nerves. We have cranial nerves, we have spinal nerves, we have other peripheral named nerves like your ulnar nerve, which is basically your funny bone. There ain't no bone there, dog. That's a nerve. That's why it twangs you the way it does. Oy. So what is a nerve? And shall we label the parts of a nerve? What a great idea. Are you ready? Don't forget. What was it? It's a bundle of axons. Where? In the PNS. That's all it is. It's a bundle of axons in the peripheral nervous system. So that means that we probably are going to have axons in our nerve. Look, who's this guy? It's my cell body. Is my cell body part of my nerve? No, because a bundle of cell bodies is what? Yes, my friends, a bundle of cell bodies is in the peripheral nervous system is what? That would be a ganglion. Like the posterior root ganglion, a bundle of cell bodies. Oh, and if it's in the central nervous system, what's it called? It could be a nucleus. That says nucleus if it's in the CNS. If it's in the CNS. It could have a nucleus in the central nervous system and a nerve because the nerve could travel to the peripheral nervous system. So let's do some definitions. All it is our bundle of axons. We have each individual axon, whether it's myelinated or not. It might be myelinated, but regardless, each one is surrounded in a little connective tissue sheath that is made up of areolar connective tissue, and it's called the endo inside neurium. And it's made of areolar connective tissue. And each individual axon is surrounded by that areolar connective tissue. Just like muscles, nerves have fascicles. And fascicles are groups of axons in a little bundle. And the fascicle is surrounded by, just for the heck of it, we'll change our color slightly, but not much. Our fascicles are surrounded by, what do you think? Perineurium. And that is dense, irregular connective tissue. And this perineurium, dude, you have to be kidding me. I'm not recording. Oh, I am recording. I am not stopping. I hope I'm recording. It looks like I'm recording. All right, well, we're just going to pretend like I'm recording because I'm going to finish this. The perineurium is dense, irregular connective tissue surrounding the entire fascicle. Now, of course, you are going to imagine bundles of fascicles, right? Making up your, do you see what I'm doing here? I got super distracted by the fact that I thought all of a sudden that I wasn't recording and I was just talking to myself in the middle of this room all by myself. Oh, please no. The whole thing, now we have a nerve. This whole thing is the nerve. It's a bunch of fascicles. Makes perfect sense. Guess what it's surrounded in? We'll undo this in black. The whole thing, the whole nerve is surrounded in epineurium. And the epineurium is made out of dense, irregular connective tissue. Boom! Now we're going to find out if I really was recording that whole thing. Why do I think I wasn't? There's a little marker usually that tells me that I'm recording, and I don't see it. But the red box surrounding what I see does tell me I'm recording, which means I am recording. Is there anything else you need to know about? I don't think so. Goodbye.